How to install the pull-out table. First, tighten the screws. Second, align the screw holder and press down firmly. Third, do push-pull test. Finally, complete perfectly. Our main panel process is wood cutting, veneer banding, drilling, cleaning, and packing. Our factory adopts the world's top brand equipment. The production process is based on the Industrial 4.0 production mode and adopts the self-developed DMS, Dynamic Management System. The industrial park has perfect supporting facilities for work and life. It became more suitable for living and business.